Are you a salon owner? Do you offer memberships to your valued clients? Membership can be of various types. Loyalty reward programs, in which a client comes and visits and gets discount in the next meeting. Gold membership, in which they get discounts on products and services. Platinum memberships, in which they prioritize appointments. And pay rupees 5,000 and get rupees 7,000 worth discounts. Until now, clients has to give contact number to avail these kind of benefits. But now it's time to enhance their experience with loyalty program cards from Easy Salon. They are QR based as well as 100% white labeled. Now you just have to give these cards to your clients and they can carry it with themselves. The next time the client visits the salon, they need to show these QR cards to the webcam of the reception. All the information like reward details, discount details and membership details will appear on the billing page. This will also fasten up the streaming process. Just contact the Easy Salon Marketing Services for more information.